audience, it's my pleasure to welcome you to our Torchlight program screening. Tonight's presentation of the Memphis Belle continues our 7-year collaboration with the Student Veterans Center, the Veteran Student Union, and the Office of the President to focus attention on our veterans both on campus and off through the power of cinema.
It is awesome to have the Memphis Belle here, the opportunity to show a film that's 75 years old and the technology that enables us to refresh it, to restore it in a condition that makes it contemporary and vital and totally stunning, and the opportunity to appreciate it.
What you'll see today looks as good or possibly even better in 4K than it ever did in 35 millimeter. So I'm thrilled with the result, and also with the fact that I could take it places and remind people of my father's service during the war. And Veterans Day is just the perfect time to do it.
And at this moment, I would like to announce this year's recipient and award, William Wyler, for A Memphis Belle, A Flying Fortress.
Walking through life alone is not the way to go through life. We're going to remember the people that we walk through life with. And this event, which is unique in the country, celebrates that. The gathering of a community to increase the awareness and understanding of a unique experience, where we are striving together to be that place where veterans come, they succeed, and then leave as leaders.